Hi everyone, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Hallie. Today we'll be trying 3 different kinds of Korean cup noodles that you might not be familiar with. You might think that most Korean cup noodles are pretty spicy, but there actually are a lot of different milder varieties.
We'll be trying these 3 Korean cup noodles today. The first one is 새우탕, 튀김 udon, and 참깨 라면. So the first cup noodle that we'll be trying is 새우탕. 새우 is shrimp and tang is broth.
Now we're gonna open it up.
I think this is the seasoning.
I think so too. So we're gonna pour that in before we put the water.
I think the flakes are already in there. So we just need to put the seasoning. And pour the water just up to the line.
I can immediately smell like the shrimpy scent.
Exactly on the line, and then we need to wait 3 minutes.
Next, we're gonna open up 튀김 udon. So 튀김 means just anything fried, and udon means udon, like a type of Japanese noodle.
Just like the first one, there's a seasoning and the flakes are already in there. I think these are the fried flakes.
I think so too. It seems like we got a lot of pieces in this one.
And then we'll put water up to the line. And then for this one, we need to wait 3 minutes.
The last ramen we'll be trying is 참깨 ramen. 참깨 is sesame seed, and ramen we all know is just ramen. So I think out of the 3, this will be the most spiciest because it says 얼큰, which means spicy, and they also have 계란, which is eggs. Over here it also says 고소. I guess because they made it with sesame seed, it maybe has a bit of a nutty scent. Oh, they have a lot of packaging in this. They have the seasoning, sesame oil. Oh, this is the egg.
So what order do we put all of the 3 in right now?
We need to put the seasoning and the egg first, and we need to put the sesame oil in last. Put in the egg. So let's try the 새우탕 first. Do you know about the plate?
I've seen it before online, like as a hack, but I've never tried it myself.
It's actually quite an old hack now. So you just fold it in half and fold it again. I can smell the shrimp. It's quite strong.
Would you say it's fishy, like too fishy?
I don't think it's too fishy. I think it's...
It kind of smells like shrimp chips.
Oh,
like
shrimp
that kind of shrimp
yeah,
flavor.
it does. Like the 새우깡?
Yes.
Yeah.
Honestly, the shrimp flavor isn't very... It's not like fishy, but I definitely taste it
I can taste
at the end.
I thought it would be quite spicy, but it's not that spicy.
I wouldn't say it's spicy. It's more of like a peppery taste at the end.
I kind of like it. I'm excited for the other ones as well. So move on to the next one.
Next is 튀김 udon. I'm excited to see like what the noodles are like.
Oh,
wow.
It's slightly thicker.
And all the pieces, all the fried pieces have expanded a lot.
Oh, and the broth is clear compared to the 새우탕. It's much clearer.
Should we mix?
Yeah, let's have a mix.
I also see a lot more flakes in it.
Yeah.
Like there's like
There's
seaweed
a lot of toppings.
and green onion.
Oh, it actually smells like the udon. I think it will be good for just a very light snack because there's not a lot of spice. There's no spice in it.
It's just like a pretty clean tasting broth. I just tried one of the fried pieces.
Oh,
and
how was it?
I like it. I think there's actually squid inside, but it's like a piece of like tempura fried squid.
Oh.
I think that's pretty unique.
Oh, what do you call it? The fried texture? Yeah.
Dried like squid inside. The piece I got was rather salty.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Or maybe because it had the seasoning. Let's try the next one because it says 얼큰, so I'm pretty excited about this one.
Whoa! Immediately the broth is like
Red.
very red.
Oh, and you can actually smell the sesame oil. Can you smell it? Okay, so we need to add the sesame oil into it.
But the sesame oil is pretty red.
Yeah.
But usually sesame oil is more of a brown color.
Clear. Kind of looks like a chili oil. What does it smell like?
It smells actually like regular sesame oil.
Oh,
I wonder where we'll eventually find the egg block
yeah.
that it came
I think
with.
it sank.
Okay.
Oh, the sesame scent, it's really strong.
It's really strong, but not overwhelming. I like that.
Like, I like sesame oil, so I think this is my style. I think I'll give this a 10 out of 10.
You should try the broth. It's really good.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really good.
This one's definitely the spiciest out of all three, but
Yeah.
it's still not like
As spicy. It's quite
As-
on the milder
it's
side.
yeah.
Compared to like Shinramen and Buldak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like a nice, refreshing kind of spice.
Yeah.
Kind of to offset like the creaminess of the sesame. Yeah.
But I feel like this is the smaller cup compared to the other cups we had.
Oh yeah, it's about like half the size.
Yeah. So I think this will be a really nice, just a snack, like a midnight snack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. We tried 3 of the Korean ramen today. So these are on the milder side, right? So
Definitely.
I would really recommend it to like foreigners, so people who aren't really used to spice. So definitely this one. This has almost 0 spice. I can still see a bit of the pepper flakes.
Yeah, but it isn't spicy at all, I would say.
Yeah.
It just has like a kind of a refreshing taste.
Yeah,
Almost
so-
kind of like black pepper.
So I'll definitely recommend this to like starters, people who want to try Korean ramen for the first time. And then this one, if you like seafood, you'll definitely love this one because you can actually taste a lot of the seafood scent.
Yeah,
The
and
shrimp,
there's
yeah.
like a little, like really tiny pieces of shrimp in it too.
And for the last one, if you want a bit more spice, then this one is definitely. And if you
Yeah.
like sesame scent, the sesame seed scent, then this one is definitely the best
Yeah.
one to have.
That one was definitely my favorite, and it's the
Yeah.
most flavorful out of all 3
Yeah.
that we tried.
I think this will be our first. Right?
Yeah, first for sure. And then between these 2, I think depending on your mood.
Yeah. If you want to like just a little bit more spice, then I'll recommend Seoulpang. If you just want a clean and very refreshing broth cup noodles, then I would recommend Chigim.
I think I would be craving this chikim udon maybe in the winter time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we're craving a bit of the broth.
Okay, that's it for our ramen review. Hopefully this inspired you to try some of these lesser known ones. And if you've never tried Korean cup noodles before, don't be worried that all of them are spicy because
Yeah.
there's plenty of varieties.
There's a lot of options. So we'll come back for more new and exciting things you can try in Korea.
Bye!